现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Conversation on Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, the phrase we're teaching you is where.D9V D9V OK 那通常是要找东西在哪里啦，但是有的时候是人在哪里找不到
就好烦哦。
Yeah, sometimes when we ask where, it's usually about, where to go or where can we find this and that. But sometimes it's because you're waiting for someone too long. You call them and you say and ask, where are you?
然后他就跟你讲，我在停车了，你都不知道停车很麻烦
对，的确哦，很多人我相信有同样的心声啦。Okay, so let's put you in the situation. People are asking, where are you? But you're actually parking. And let's hear the conversation first.
D9V 我哋要等多久咧？
我哋前天茶位，
從他門口有咩嘢夾過來啊？
夾過來啊，好像是叫他快點過來啊。
對呀，夾過來啊。
為什麼要來付錢？是不是？
係呀。
我就懷疑你是不是在教這個？I heard, hurry up and come over. I think it's because they found a spot for him or her to park. But anyways, let's break down the sentences. 一開始就說你在哪裡
？D9V
D9V, where are you? 我們等很久了，對不對？
對，我哋要等多久咧？
等很久叫做
等多久？
等多久？
等很久，等多久？
等就是等嘛，that means to wait. 多久就是好久啊，很久。That's a long time. OK 啊，我在找停車位咧，停車位叫做
停車位。
停車位 OK, that means I'm looking for a parking space, or parking space is 停車位 OK, and finally 你們說餐廳門口有位置，所以餐廳是
餐堂。
餐堂 that means the restaurant. 門口
門口
that means the entrance or the front of the restaurant. 有位置
有位
that means there is a spot right here. 所以快過來
夾過來啊，
夾過來啊，過來就是過來嘛，
是啊，
夾就是快一點的意思嘛，對不對？ Alright, well let's hurry up and re-teach you these phrases again, including 等很久 to wait so long.
等多久？
等多久 OK, and then a parking space 停車位
停車位
停車位 and finally 快過來 hurry up and come over
夾過來啊，
夾過來啊 OK, and now let's listen to the conversation one more time.
D9V 我哋要等多久咧？
我哋前天茶位，
從他門口有咩嘢夾過來啊？
And now you know how to use this in this situation, and that does today's conversation on Hakka.
什麼大家？
按字 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.